We're testing out some of our cylindrical beets here, folks. It is May the 17th, and we've got a couple pork chops. This is our typical fast food with a couple folded over tortillas cooked in a cast iron skillet. Braised these guys with a little butter and mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and red chili. Crushed red chili and a pinch of salt. So I just canned this up today for the purpose of testing the first pickings of the cylindrical beets. Bear with me a moment, I'll get this cap off. It's on there tight. Nice thing about cylindrical beets, as you can see, is the uniformity. The nice small slices. If you had a big round beet, you'd get all kinds of small ones, big ones, and everything in between. So cylindrical beets are just excellent for canning and a lot of other purposes. Just cutting up to cook and to give to goats to eat, to dry. A lot of advantages to cylindrical beets. They till deeper into the soil, benefiting the soil more. There's more beet per square foot, per acre that you can grow. Okay, so I've got about a half of that jar or so, less, for my meal, and I am going to try these babies out. So good. So good. A little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of lemon juice was used in the canning process. They're firm. Delicious. Delicious. Very well reproduced. There's not much you're giving up from the fresh beets when you do it this way. In fact, it's got a great flavor. So good, and these can be used in salads, just to snack on their own. So many things you can do with them, but I'm going to have them here with this fast food hot meal. A couple thin sliced pork chops and the pan bread. Cylindrical beets. Love them.